So if you want to bang with AI, oh no, I cracked myself up. If you want to get into any of those like emerging markets trends or anything like that, it's going to become a bubble, and the bubble is going to expand. But you know that you uncertain. Even if you were to get the reward of having major companies eat that risk, it's ETFs that you can actually invest in, because you're going to be seeing creators telling you to invest in these companies, and a lot of these companies ain't been around, and a lot of these companies don't have the infrastructure to grow like the big ones that have an ego. Is that for you to look at ETFs? And yes, I know you should look at expense funds. You should look at the top 10 or top 25 holdings within it, and their risk, and their risk, but their weight. But also, I want you to look into those funds that have ETFs that are geared towards AI, metaverse, digital wallets, digital transformation, anything like that, and to look to see how long have they been around, what's their total assets managed, how has their actual hedging performed over the years, what's the sentiment of them going into the market. I know that's a lot, but please don't think that you have to just buy these stocks right out. You can get into ETFs, and you can actually utilize the fractional share method, obtaining those companies, or either the ETFs that has those companies that are actually going to be the big fish in the sense when it comes to bubbles and builds such as AI, metaverse, or autonomous. I'm telling you something. I remember ARK Invest. I know everybody has their feelings about ARK Invest, but I utilize ARK Invest for looking at their mind when it comes to the movement of certain sectors. And one of the things they brought up was about the infrastructure that we're going to see with digital wallets, what the infrastructure we're going to see with AI, as well as with autonomous driving in the lane of what we see with Uber and Lyft. So I look into companies like that, not necessarily to buy what they are telling me to buy or within their own ETF, but the insights, because that will give you headway on what could potentially come down the line. ARC is known to think probably 10 to 15 years down the line, and that's one of the things that I loved about them, is that I don't just say, oh, I have to go buy this, but no, I take those insights to grow and to know in certain ways to invest in.